They said that it already did with government. If you even see everything that are not still for this guy, but you will still put your own hand for it, say the government supposed to drag Vera, you understand the part?
No, nobody drag Vera. Matter the government and you know here yesterday they listen. You know here yesterday when they talk say till now they never still give his sister anything at all. Till now.
But even Vera said they tell Vera say they don't fit tell her any information because she not just get her, she not go for the boy, they don't marry.
Why he said something give the boy elder sister see what he do online. May he explain that part. Who call her? I tell yeah. That is it. No, but if he explain.
May talk to you, may call you like this, talk to you for WhatsApp.
Yes, nah. Yes, nah.
So they call you. For me, you pick up, come and talk to you for WhatsApp.
Oh yeah, now may call me now. I never want to bring that picture. Now when he go come talk to me, I'll say okay. I'll still keep her. I'll still call the boy we leave her for train station. Alpha, okay. Where you leave her for train station?
She'll talk to you for WhatsApp paper. But you know what club of paper.
Oh, you might not climb here. You might not climb. I understand you, man.
Okay, not see what
me call me for WhatsApp, yes.
Okay.
That boy, so your picture does still there here too. If you don't like, me and Aro come up for Italy. They go still declare on wanted. He get all those boys where they arrest for Benjo that time for France. We shop women money. Now Benjo they forgo there. This is not the time for you to run. If you like, you run. If you like, you not run. When the time comes, and you know. Then Timaya, thank you. This one a country way system for the work. Okay. Hello.
Hello.
Koyo. Hey.
Are you sure they call you sis? Not the thing.
Nah, lie, you not call me.
I'll call you.
Vera. Vera.
Meet yourself, yes, I beg.
May I meet myself?
I get many names, I beg. Your sister call me on the 25th. So the year for my blessing that gave me to understand you. You hear me so? Now go say, the boy call me or say competition of your own.
Who is say get misunderstand you with?
The brother. That's why you get small, because you don't know for the people. Don't want to say, I don't want to go money to study this case because I mean, don't let me say, I don't test anything about it. Because it's the apple. People don't tell me say like that. So he said that they say the portion for Caritas. He gave me so.
That was the 31st of December.
No, that was on the 24th.
Okay, on the 24th, which is a Christmas wash night.
Yes. I don't know what they told this thing because I good no go fix me.
No. Vera, wait. Vera, calm down.
Okay.
Me never post your picture.
If I know how you hold it, tell me. Now, what if for the top they go and say, I don't go fresh up, don't give a so I do for this boy. He gave me safer. So, because your sister, I say sister don't answer that. I don't know my boyfriend to carry for coin for Verona Kelly. I don't even know. I don't know the case before. I don't know.
Wait, you want me mute? Wait, Vera, I don't understand. You want me mute? Me now. Let me what you want to talk to. If not, let me what you want to talk to. I for not do live video now. This is a case of a person where he died. Talk your whole part. I don't want to post your picture. You just use me to do your hair. I know they had anything for my fans. Egbe wa worry.
So on the 24, because say what's it called? Say because you say me commit. I can't see the show you, but I don't know the boy before. I can't say okay. I don't come on leave them for there. We go come on. Then I get to go come on. So the 31st, we can't see each other. When I can't see they won't talk. I can't see what they say they stay with a friend. They go and Kelly. I can't say that boy we should not say because even just for don't know we should have from not care. You know give me so.
Yes.
Not care. We don't know. Say the for herself. I say, we don't know, because now truth meeting, we don't know the boy. It's like, because if I'm not too good, because the boy could call me one time, if the boy they call me, we know not call it, they call it panic about that before New Year. We can't see each other again on 31st. I can't start for club with those boys. I don't know them. I can't sit down with the Kelly too. I said, see her for them. You hear me so?
You wait till before you continue. No, hold on. When he talks to the pursue for camp, down the 24, you ask him what they do. We make the pursue for camp.
Go the camp is in a Caritas.
Sorry, Caritas.
Yeah, just the Caritas. For each other, Caritas too happy. Don't tell me come on. You go carry your. You get me so.
Okay.
Your country you come on, yeah. So as he come out, come with this friend. I don't know until I feel talk because that's not Isha. Me now, I be believe there. They get me so. As they do that things. Oh, she's supposed to have a club. I go my girl say, see their boyfriend though. I go introduce her. Cause we all go greet each other. Cause okay, they with his friends. I don't get some club. I can go meet her. I can give her a text. Say, baby, I don't move. Say no problem. I go reach. As I don't come out, I don't cross that first on the first. So he can't come in out the first. We don't talk. I go say, let's say drink. Because say, I don't think we should drink it inside the drink. So that first come reach. In the evening, he don't come in, learn something. I think better. He come in, learn something. He say he's there with his friends from Maya Bar. Say that they go out. I say, okay, no problem. Finish at home. I want to relax. I get fever. You get me so? He come say, okay, no problem. I see all this. I still wait. So he not come in that night. I come, because if I get I come no problem. No me. I come with my son. I get one baby. I come come. I come. That's why no come. This one last year is no come. This is so. I come call this boy. If you black boy for Nigeria, say, Mama, when they come and play, they don't see the call people. What do you have the friend to call? I said, the friend come and say, he never see her. I said, you don't see her, no, that's done. You know, but no, they go to the store. They say that call your family, they gotta go. My body when they give me say, sometimes, you know, yeah, black out there, because okay, no problem. He can't tell me say, okay, he can't call. I don't call her again. People don't want to pick my call. I was early the morning on the third though. Let me say, you don't pick my call. So, I was thinking, how this going to pick my call? That is my guy. This don't never call me like this, so you hear me so? Now I say, okay, no problem. We go try. Call her your friend again. She's going to cut my call. So they say, you don't say one thing calls on there. I said, no, what's this? What's they send me this one for? Me, I'm not the juice, I'm not the Italian.
Which of the friends say you sort your line? Which of the friends?
Kenny, let's say that for me.
The Kenny where still use for controller and make come.
Yes. I say, why you gonna say me this kind of thing? I say, I know. Say, I don't want to get arrested for pad over. I tell him, say, I don't know. He said, I call his sister. That's what I call his sister. That happened. Treat it fair. I said, I'll give sister. I said, okay. Then I'll get friend now. I come I'll give sister. I come to sweet the soap, sweet the. You hear me so? I said, I'll give sister. That was the get sister. I say, no. I don't know. I say, I call the boy. If you could cut the boy, don't tell me say, I got.
Hello, you watch me.
You all start. You just see so the guy at the hospital. If you okay, you start that many times. You fancy the guy stagger. That's why I see all the first stroke first. Which means the stagger now. They could ask for me. Oh, you hear me so far? I think they had done for me. I don't feel like for you. Don't follow. Now that's it. The bros, I see the people doing different stuff. People are big.
I'm not there. Hear you again. Wait. Who you say did? Who you say that that's the Topolo?
Okay. I just say my boyfriend did not see to so as I big any go that bar. Don't you want to that happen? If they get me so, I can't tell the police because I know what they're going to cry. Because I know what you want to be going to go and say Vera, your guy don't say Jesus. That's what I can. If I ask the police tell me, I could call this but this because not going to pick my call again. I could call his sister, say sister, that's not you. You hear me so? They don't go to for Christian. They continue to change music. The money cost now. He can cost now. Give me. I don't understand. They don't get what they plan. Not go say like this. You hear me so? Now the people who shake them. I mean they can't touch you. They don't touch you before. Now they can't touch you with them. They don't come. I could shot. But the people have lost on me. I could call my sister and my friends. They can't come. This time I carry taxi. I can't wait for sister come down. I can't taxi for my sister go that place. I can reach the people say, you know what talk to him. You know what talk to his sister. So now me go talk to but talk who they tell me. So me the help and me stand for right.
One they put rose, one they put flower, one they power tap. The power tap is low, yes.
You can't tell me like that. I can't tell the boy say, what do you do my guy? You can't say Vera, don't do, no cry. Epa, I know if you can't stand myself. You hear me so? I know if you can't stand myself. I can't only. Even I don't know reach. Since that day, I didn't know they pick my call. Organization. Now, social don't they go for this issue.
Hold on first, I beg. Since that day, the boy don't they pick your call. Which boy? Which boy?
The Kelly coming on the before the budget station.
Okay.
The Kelly that guy introduced give me. Now, social don't they go for this issue. Because it's still going weekly down. I don't fully chop. And if I don't do it to post, because I still reduce. Because you know, I tell you weekly down. You get me so? Now go call my social. They go to the Benali. Because our president for Trento, like the moment they take us as a refugee. Because I know that
they hear me. Because of this way, what I saw, how do I come this girl? This girl almost by herself. How do I even come from the matter across? She almost by herself. They call the different people. They go pick up us. She don't go kill herself because of the boy. You understand? So, if they say this is not when they talk to the girl, try to people carry this girl, come outside.
You not carry and come outside. Wait. You not the listening. Adam, your wait. You not drag. The sister not drag anybody. You only mention the people. They do direct video for Vera. Now me contact her yesterday. Not be she contact me. Now my fans say me I contact her. I don't know the girl before.
Since that day, my friends on the day to the issue. The man, I went to for guys, the train station, everything. Because of me, but they was talking, I thought I need justice because I got police in the office answer because I'm not going for the boy. Because I'm not the boy family. They said, I will carry paper for the Nigerian home. For the boy family, say, okay, no one fight for the boy. Since the girl, no one sister there, and now we'll keep everything. Now I'm confessing with my operator for phone, they can't talk. They can't say like this. Me don't know why this girl, they come and say any justice. Because me, I don't do my own part. Now, there's no be me, I don't believe control and call, and first control and call. Because as far as they get straight to one, you know, they say, okay, you want to say, I'm baby me love, no, you won't hammer. They do video for me, say, they do direct video for me, say, if you go to know all your friends. I don't know the boy before, I'm sure I know the boy. I know the
the conference call when you and Marvel call before na come out. Prosper there aware. Now all of na do the conference call. You never talk how. You never talk how you and Marvel. Marvel take call your house. You never talk for the live video. And they watch you. Talk everything out. How Marvel take call your house. How na take stay together. Talk everything out. I don't know be innocent. I don't want know who be innocent. The only time me they beg Nigeria is justice for my brother. Now let know what me get.
Yes, you tell me that one just now.
Okay, what is it on the 31st of the day the word? On the 31st. I see the word 31st, 51st. Let's go tell you. This one is come. But brother, I go look for this matter. I'll come and social now. We go pay for the brother. I can't go for this word.
Vera. 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 Will you?
If I just get people, maybe I'll go meet the Kelly. We're going to meet the Kelly. We're going to meet the ass there. I said, yeah, I don't know. We're going to so. We're going to force that kicking of the dog. We're going to the press.
You get picking.
I get picking. I get my baby. I get that for that. We're not going to sell up for three. If I even do that, because this were too good. I would this were not good. I would this were not good. I'm not going to put my this matter. I think that's too good. They're so that to please. They're going to put their friends. We're not going to frustrate them and do video for me up and down. I don't block her for TikTok and the serious because they post those picture and they don't keep traps.
You know, say, calm down. You know, say, now the family of the boy, and they lose. Not be you. Sure, you know. Because you're not born for her. Not just your normal boyfriend.
Yes.
We be so now, if you still break up anytime, any day. You don't need to insult the sister. Yeah. You need to calm down, no matter what. See, now person die, so.
People don't come in for this matter.
They listen.
Okay.
They listen. People, wait first. Wait, Vera, wait first. See, you still dey respect person. Why I respect one? You dey respect me, you understand? See, I know. Wait first. As you explain, so you go explain finish. You understand? This. Okay, that's what happen, Abi.
Yes, different. Yeah, see, that's not the problem. I can't even call you. I won't call you for one of their different number. The boy can't say they're busy. You don't feel receive call. You got me so.
That day, so that the last time when this boy come your house, the last time What you not discuss? They tell you say they sick.
You know people say they sick, bro.
Okay.
You know people say they sick. If I mention this boy on club on the 31st, this boy do okay. I said, if you don't okay, I will tell you. I go to the boy do okay, this hard.
Okay.
If I don't verse, so.
I dey hear you. I dey hear.
Me will come and pet on my brother, brother.
No.
I don't remove our call.
No, never. No, now. Wait. Vera, never remove her. Vera, if you remove hand, it go bless now because you come my platform. Now make you want remove hand. I just call you for questioning. For the love.
Because the love I get from that boy. I want to say we go that boy better upstairs. I'm just about better because it has not better. I don't know if they sleep from night.
I understand.
I don't sleep. I don't love. I called you already. I told you, man. You don't talk to this. See, yesterday, I don't get what you talk. You tell me say, me and Tosta, we don't group call. Nigeria brother. What if I said that Nigeria brother? I never tell you to share. You tell me so Nigeria brother. I don't know what this church my door say. You got not be here again.
You know, say, if person die like this, everybody will be exposed. Everybody must be a suspect until you found yourself guilty. If you withdraw yourself now, people might suspect you. Say, why can't make her withdraw herself now? The thing already happened when you said something just now that this boy was so nice to you when he was alive. So because of that, you have to join hands with her sister to make sure that this boy.
If I wait, I will not get. If I need a cinema, they share any fucking thing that they do. I know they do it for you. I don't have to because no reach to share. If I think they stand the talk, any fucking thing they do for a foster, but I do for a foster because the love I get for them. It is very so. If I did I be you come, say me I so say, I don't know anything that I go do. It is very so. To so my hand clean. Just picking.
More are the gift oh, more are the power tap oh. Everywhere is drag.
If I just want to do video, you go just take care for woman.
This matter now, they want you to say they rob my sister, which is not nice. When this boy not get her, and my sister now rent us around.
I saw I don't need to touch my live video.
When this boy not get us, and see that fast for her. When this boy not get where he wants to stay from the beginning. Now my sister carry and go test the house. Thank God they stay before you come gather money to rent house for this boy. Where the sister dey? If she dey sick.
All right.
Because they always they complain say sister don't get what he do for her. If you ask the sister money, his sister not the one bring come outside. They forsake my sister because of this thing. Let them leave her. Even this social matter, that means the car they come outside. Just because they okay, man, everything they okay, I think that start and move from, make them for head. You want me to leave her? If you go back, we go just for the phone and take the phone and say, we don't want them to do anything again. If they want to bury their brother, but they say, make them go bury their brother.
No, may see, calm down. May any of them not do that can't see you.
Because this thing, I want to another thing. Then when they turn the game,
no, nobody see. Now me, they listen to me. They listen to me. I just want to call you first. I'll call of the round. Okay? Your sister, they cry. Is not a justification that your sister is innocent or not. I know they use tears till they justify person because of the kind of job I do. That is why I say make she remove cry, come up for this thing, make she explain. The little one which she don't explain already did my head. Thank you so much. I will.
So the baby say, go come, I know this one baby say, you don't take first this girl, you get try for me. I know say this one not fit come about testify, but there's something with their hair. Before I first wait.
This matter come pass like this. Say this girl no want rest for Vera matter pass. Many evidence be say my friend take care of the boy. Everything dey. Reason say they send that money, what they pay rent, everything dey.
No, see. All this one on the talk so and I love this one. I love this one. I love you. Anything you do for a way, Anything you do for your boyfriend is your boyfriend. You do it out of love. If not love, see, if person is there, may God not let you lose person. Now there you go. No, say everybody will there around that person before the person die is a suspect. That's why they call everybody round. That's why I call your sister. Your sister get ready to speak her own. And she don't already defend herself to me, but I don't already store everything what she talk from my head. Me not dey forget something in case of tomorrow. You understand?
That's why you go call where you go ask question. I'm telling you, not be better. I'm telling you, not be better, pa.
You want to teach me my work?
Not be even Kelly. I take you when you back for train station.
You want to teach me my work? I say I hear.
I'm gonna teach you your work. I just tell you.
Now you tell me I call your sister. Relax. I don't already hear from your sister. Now do well. Thank you so much. See, you will be Vera, so will be the girlfriend of this boy. You need to calm down. Your tears, not be I want to judge you. Your tears, not be I want to judge you. The reason why I first call you first, before I want to go they call you friends, now because you be girlfriend. And you confirm her to me now, say you love the boy. Say the boy not get what he do you when he dey alive. And everything you said here today is on record because people there with the screen record. So now people they talk to Vera, people they tell me say Kpai put Kelly picture. They know they do like that. I got to call Kelly first before I go put picture. That's why they do my thing. When I calm down, we will get to the root of this. We don't already hear from the girlfriend, right? So now, we will go hear from Kelly.
Hello, Padabo.
What's it, brother? We call.
Come on. Now, concerning this guy with that, let me come up. I get you.
Okay.
Because the apple for my city, yeah, they say I'm dead on the second. Because I don't even follow his sister talk before we talk for many hours. You understand? I see this guy like, it be like shock when I hear say he die. Because on the first, I did with him, he come meet me and some guys where we sit down. Come meet us. Come tell us, say, in a Beniga. I got to say, how? He say,
I don't be the Kelly.
no, not be me, be Kelly.
Okay, you just did the city.
Yeah, I did the city. I see him. He talked to us that
Okay.
before early morning. Now we hear say he die.
Okay.
That was around 8 now. They talk now.
All those group of guys where you see them with, which of those guys they do? Which work do they do?
But you see this matter, eh? You know one thing. This matter, they say me they draw this matter. Even people with the phone say that they innocent, eh? Everybody they go to your find and say many of them where they claim innocent, eh? They know one or two things so that they draw.
That's why they call it their friend just now. If they bring one, they look at the laugh. Because I never gather my investigation finish.
He pay me rich bone because
Which work those guys where you see them with they do?
you know everything say na once the street walk that they you understand me?
Which work?
We no go there. You dey get her. The matter where they be say, you see these police people for this side. I believe say presently now they get strong investigation with they among some group of people concerning these issues. You understand? That why even me, I talk to his sister, I give her points and what he go do about him. You understand? Stella say, see what you do, not be by today. Chat come and say, see what to do, see the evidence, see what you need to go do down, then go carry good lawyer. Maybe say anything will happen.
This one the Kelly way control that late boy come up for us from Torino. This is the Kelly. And they try to call you now. You know the peak. You claim say you love this boy. If they fall, they go, they fall, they go, they fall, they go. You leave and waka go as go sleep.
No, not be Kelly, do that one.
Who do that one?
That one, I want yeah boy, one useless boy. I do that one.
Okay.
You understand? That one, you see, I don't really know anything concerning this Kelly and but I don't believe say Kelly because where the guy they go sleep that day, they different for the area where Kelly they sleep, they stay.
You see?
Where the city where the guy they go sleep, they different for where Kelly they stay, which is
why Kelly controller come up for us?
Nah, they call me. I don't want to talk. I don't want to cast
Now this boy so now he controller come up for us. Okay? Now that you get the right me again to understand. Now this one so kind of come up for us. This one. Now he call and come up for us. See the one we leave out for train station for here. Now this one so now leave out for train station. Hello. Am I speaking to Kelly? I mean, no gay.
Hello, yeah. Good afternoon.
Okay, I beg wait, my brother, wait. Wait now, my brother. Okay. Your name not be Kelly, but you know Kelly.
No.
But you know Kelly.
No, I don't know Kelly. But I did that club that day.
Wait now. Not be you that send me number say you live Kelly for train station. Sorry, I say Kelly. This boy, they call his name. That boy went down the 2nd of January.
No, not be me. I just the
not
word
be you they talk to people where they my WhatsApp. Now they talk to bros. They hear me. Efusa, your name is Efusa, right?
No.
Who leave Efusa for train station? When the Efusa they fall, they go. And yes, they say now you leave her for train station.
Bro, who they talk now? No they talk.
Now me they talk.
Who?
No gay for Germany.
Okay, no come on.
Okay, they said now you leave Efusa for train station.
Who give you my number first?
Now the sister give me your number.
Okay, so please stay as I know who they talk now because ever since then, I don't want to speak technical. I think I'm German call. I think I will speak.
Okay.
So let me see a poster for train station.
Okay.
For road because they say you don't know where you want to sleep. Let me help. And I put that guy. I go by woman. You go to their house. So I don't feel help you. So, and I push I can go meet one of my guy. Then I was like, go meet one of my guy. He come there because I push I come back down my guy. And the guy now come back with okay, since this guy now, get one sleep. I said, you help him. I was okay. Since my woman they come for room, now I say, may he come tomorrow. Because he help one help this guy. Now I say, maybe I come home. Don't come tomorrow. I'll come house late. I know my mama say okay, he go come tomorrow. So I we come there. I can't go fire. I can't go one part like that. The pusa, I mean I pusa can't enter. Come to my face. Just that day that it's first of New Year.
1st of January.
It's the 1st of January. So we everybody else in months. That is said by months and everybody month that day. So now I was okay. I want to go house. Next I was okay. You want for me that was okay. That was okay. Bro, when you first sleep, I asked when you first sleep. I put them in you sleep. That's the house when I did, but if you sleep Destiny house, I'm all sleep.
Okay.
You understand what I'm talking about? That's the house when we want go sleep, so you know better sleep there for 2 days before. The guy went up, and the guy said they help and they give accommodation. And you can tell me so okay, more do you supposed to move either more they go either you sleep my place or you sleep the other guy place. Because you never first sleep at place before.
Okay.
You never first sleep at place before.
You never first sleep at a place before, yes.
No, like the guy went up. Almost about me. The guy went up. Like the guy place if I go to sleep.
Okay.
Like that. So that was okay.
What you eat? What you gather eat that day?
No, me and you don't eat anything.
Okay.
Me and you don't enjoy it. We don't ever as I enter bar, now you go meet his friends, start talking to my things, drink 1 or 2 bottles. Can't reach actually I won't go enter I will go house. You understand? Me and you don't eat anything, me and you don't drink anything, me and you don't smoke anything. You understand? And I heard Bashan for road there, you don't get very much, that was okay. When you go class tomorrow, you enter street. Tomorrow the day you will go. Anytime you get where you want to go tomorrow, that's okay. It's nice now. Go to the mayor concourse tomorrow, you go where you want to go. That's how I want to take a part.
Yes.
You understand? So then you don't get the other.
What it can happen? When I call they go for train station, what it can happen?
So as you go come down, as you go down, I was saying, go tell me that. In the layers, they can have there. Then you walk out on position on like 30 kilometers on position. As soon as they walk out, let me as I drive bicycle for church for last. Now we gonna enter. As you enter train, me enter train. Need to walk out. I know. Also say person they sick or say person why who die like that.
You see when one guy they walk out, you know observe what they put on for back.
Which part? No, if I wait, I think if me and you walk out enter train. You understand? Me walk out enter train. If me and you talk, he walk out enter train.
Okay.
You understand? So okay, as a grandma now, if you are first to talk, you are talking like talk. You know, you say it's like the body, say for you, save a day for the. And then you walk out, you talk inside train. As you too much about train so now, then you can tell me say I better the finance guy. Now, because you may know what you may ask your mom that they will go to make the position now, maybe they go. So he's going to the house, and the other guy house, they basically that night.
You can't tell and say you want call ambulance. He can't tell you say they okay, maybe they go out.
You go and say, may they go, say, they go now, say, really, see, they go, that's okay. Mama, I say, obviously, he don't even know the house. Because now the house now, I sleep for two times. Me and the other guy. He could tell me maybe they go. Either he sleep my place or he sleep the other guy's place.
So as he can't tell me they go, you still look back.
Yeah, then that can me home bicycle.
Oh, you own bicycle. As he can't tell me they go, you can't ride. You can't drive bicycle. Go. When you call reach us, you call her for phone. Say how far? Where you call the? Would I never still come?
I call her 3 times. I don't come for that. So either he sleep. Now my point is either he did at the house, he did the last guy at the same house. Because if he tell me to me to go, either he lives there for my house or he goes there to the last house to sleep. So me call reach out. I can't hope say maybe he phone flat or tomorrow I'll go to the last house, go to account whether he go sleep there. And now in my mind. Because this guy house now, he don't pay this guy to the house 2 times. They really not person
wait. I don't forget your name. What will be your name again?
Mama, you know, where you don't understand, you understand, or make you understand.
Okay, your name na Boge. Okay.
Now, my state now for you say that one airport. So
wait. According to what you explain to me now, so if me na police, for example, with your explanation, so I go need to carry you go station. Me you go explain more to me. You know where? This thing.
Right.
Percy 4 for your present.
You don't talk my present.
Okay, Percy tell you say Bella dey pay now.
Yeah, you walk. I say I better go. Put your person for Bella now. Say I ready. Now I don't know everywhere go. Let me go say I don't know.
Okay, something called the better for Bele. You call us can't say that me call blast. You can't say me the go ask.
Me, they work. I say I think she's so trying to not far, but she no, bro. I think she carry back for now. Don't go. I don't know the house before. Now me go come on.
Why you not wait for him? As that your friend tell you say Bele the bad time, you for now say no. You say you not do. Okay, I no feel leave you as my friend. I want to call blast, so you say no. I need to day here. May I observe you? Like you dey tell me that say your own friend. Even you say no am, as he tell you say Bele dey pain now, he don already tell you say Bele dey pain now, and all of them are the same. Bele dey pinch am o, Bele dey totori am o, Bele dey pain am o. All of them are the same thing. As e come be say you no fully well because you no be small pikin. Before you come call ambulance, before you come mention ambulance, come up for mouth say make I call ambulance for you. Not be just normal Bele with a pinch person. He action, he reaction, the way content they do, now make you come observe and say, Alpha my guy, make I call ambulance for you. That guy called it based on if they facing a normal pain. That's why he talk that word. That is if he talk because he not there alive again now to cut to say he talking or he not talking. As you can see, say something. Oh, Igbo go know wetin kill am, not be the problem, my brother. You know, they listen to me. They listen to me. You know why I dey try to leave autopsy first. Sometimes Igbo no dey know anything wey dey keep person. They all look for one name, add and join stay na that one. Igbo no know anything. May I tell you, that's why sometimes the person dey sick, you go hospital or give pastor mommy go. Or Igbo no know anything. May I tell you something? My brother, my friend, I don't know you before, but I know say you go know me because I'm a media person. You see, as a friend, you fail for there. You fail as a friend. I must tell you the truth. You fail. You disappointed your friend. He not there alive again now, but you disappointed him as a brother, as a friend. Meaning you dey let me dey know now say if your friend dey stress, they let me. So when you can't know say don't die, when you can't know, when you can't get caught say don't die. Okay, when they come to see the same person for train station, why you not gonna go back, go call police as a friend, say this person are your friend though. As I don't tell you say the person dey train station, you can't leave her for there.
And you actually want to change. I say the next day, like they call me, tell me say, my guy call me say, check me so. The next day evening, that time 9 o'clock or 10 o'clock, see my take me see the see person for. He went to my see one news. See one person died for Australia. See me I check up for news. Now say really, now see something. Now enter news. Now that's conscious. Now for one my guy who said that they have see this guy. Whether this guy get a out of the guy put that. But so what is right side? They don't mention his name. They only say they get a of Padova. And how I be for who meet one my guy for. They say how the guy for them say this guy say he tell me say he get a of Padova. See that time I don't know that the guy won't that self. They don't like they don't put picture. They only like the get a of Padova. Say nothing about
But you tell me just now say they need to know because now they contradict yourself. Because me when they talk to her, not be small picking, you understand? You said something before now. So now the next day, by 9 o'clock, now they tell you say your friend out there. And in seconds again, they tell me say
on the first day, listen, I say on the New Year's Day.
Wait, you dey eat because I know they hear you well. You dey eat because I know they hear you well. Because maybe that because I know they hear you well. Because I believe I say,
Okay, I saw the first or the New Year's Day on the first.
Yeah.
They said that 9 happen. On the second, on the evening of the second, that time now the 10th, second. Now we can say, my guy for them say, check news, so say, we went to man, see one Nigerian person say, he died for creation for Australia. Now we say, really, now go check on. And I know to get picture. This picture no days, the name no days, the only right place, resident is Padova. You understand? Now how high the phone go meet? Now how high the phone go meet one of my guys from the house? This guy so actually, I know he doctor is telling for. The guy he get resident for Padova. I say yes. He tell me he get resident for Padova. Me I don't even know see that the guy put that. But as they go upon the picture, no name. They don't put.
Okay, now you don't know. Say now the guy. What are your plans now? What are you trying to do?
We all feel bad, and I heard that the sister say you want LA boys to contribute money. Even me, I'm willing to see contribute money so that they can add some money to it, their parents, so that you can rest in perfect peace.
Wow, you are truly a good friend. You are truly a good friend. You want to donate for him, make the tip bury and make for rest in perfect peace.
Make for rest in perfect peace because I heard that the money is like 3,000 something.
Yes.
So as I hear that, I'm willing to see contribute money for our main business book because me, I see her for street. For street, I for see her. Maybe let me say I don't know before. That's the second day where I see her for street. Second day now I see her. That's okay. Me, you for street. I don't know about seeing the other place.
This one we think as a point to all the friends now say now people will say and last now they buy them. If this thing result to juju matter now, you go feel swear say no one not two.
I swear to my father, I swear to my father, what make me call it, anything make me call it show up, I can never progress. Say if I know one or two for this guy dead, I swear to my father, we don't nothing where you prosper. If there's something that this swear, say I don't know anything about this guy dead. You understand? I share for street, saying not everyone wants to sleep. This person will come to don't go down. You don't know where he wants to sleep. Okay, if I you be that person,
that person will talk. Who go gam? You know the person will go gam.
Not even mention the name. As you call me, you mention the name.
Oh, down Kelly, because that's not how I can come up for us.
I just meet up for street.
Oh, you be one help am. First time as a good friend when you be first time this kind of thing you happen. Ah shit, damn it.
I don't want to I know I'm just going to my tribe. I just have a street, so it's control to just go down. And me not push it. Let's you go for this school. Well, okay, you can sleep for my house. Let's keep going away.
Okay, thank you, my brother. If I need anything from you again, I go still let you know. Yeah.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
You see one thing about stammerer, people with the stammerer. You see one thing about people with the stammerer. I fear stammerer pass anything for my life. People with the stammerer, I fear them. And they fear them well. You know why they fear them? Because of their stammerer, you call it pity for them. With the stammerer, you say, oh, they're the oppressor. Oh, you don't see how they force themselves to talk. You see what these people they talk to, plus they get friend until I reach because me, I'm a potential, I'm intellectual. Your own friend tell you say belle the you see friend who are the key for Europe. You see where advice say me and one of my friends not go have you play a game for life. And that's what it will be. Because if you see your friend for your life, you not remove her. Now you know. If you see evil friend for your life, and they see some people that say, if you be innocent, all of them, when you're innocent, people we will do something. They will point for Juju swear. Say if they don't that mean they not progress for Europe. You will say he don't swear now. Go return her for back. Say don't be me and them. Can I see person with this swear? Go swear for fun. Go return her for back. I'm not judging anybody, but you see, friend, with what he talk just now, he clear for your ear. Person friend say belle the bad time. Not be belle the bad time. Belle no fit bet you say what ambulance. I be intellectual. Friend don't tell you say belle the bad time. You say me I call ambulance for you. That guy already they fall, they stand up, they fall. Before he come observe and say, no, they can call ambulance for person. If person tell you to belle the pain now, you say he does shit. You should say he does shit. Go to contact. Now normal thing. Sometimes belle go still back you. Now normal thing. Your blood will walk. But for the fact that person just tell you say belle the pain, you say the next thing I call ambulance for you. Does it make sense? Let's be sincere to ourselves. Some of them they explain. When they put you down, where me, then at the least here, the one that get talks is there here. Adam will hear me. But some of them not they listening, which is bad. If this guy in Nigeria, they go first, go prison first. It was already critical. That is the reason why he said he wants to call the ambulance.
If I don't go, not first, so you know waiting. You see that his sister will come here. I for like because even me. Myself, I really want to know what he killed this boy. I really get very interested. You see that his sister, he come outside, they claim many victims, now some people are bad people, this one. I for say, my sister come out here, make her talk truth about what you know about your brother. First, before me, myself, go talk some certain things, come out.
He go agree. Again, nobody. Person wey fit deny say na the first time wey they sleep he has be that one. That one won't agree to me now say he
if I not gay for the news, I get the news here. They follow up for the case through news. For the news, what did they write? The guy died for under camera. Everything will happen to the guy happen for under camera. Nothing will be say he did far from camera. That one and one. Secondly, to me. He gets some certain things. I really want to know what he killed this guy because I did follow up for the article. Anytime when they drop him, few days ago, I get the latest one where they bring up my side. I did read them. What he killed this guy? Now, the way me they see him, they get some kind of things. So, be say me myself, I don't want to talk. His sister need to come outside before you call the claim victim. And my brother died. What do you know about that, your brother? And how you walk towards those things? Because those things reach to kill him like this, the way they die. You dey hear me?
Like how?
He no say brother the chop market.
Yeah,
I be he no not when they claim VT, they want to pack people put. What will be your solution? What you do for there?
That is another point of view whereby our sister will also come in and explain to the general public.
Because if I know game, I tell you something. People know me very well. You understand? Anybody where they chop the black for his side, I don't want to call the name. Anybody where they chop that black for his side, mostly never eats maybe since morning. He chop take that, they take those things. It's like me to die like that.
You not collect anything for your mouth. You not collect anything for your mouth.
Anything. I don't collect anything because it wallet anything. All those people work on the life for person head. Nah, I don't like that. I make all the more the think of. You understand? The person will talk like this. The who want to talk like this. I mean, I level like this. But
for the fact, say, they listen to me. At least you still respect me, as you say, you respect me since. You understand? When I call you, when I call you, just now, me insult you, me talk to you anyhow.
You know insult me.
So that's why I recall you back again when they ask me question. Now see, how they cut it collect things. Who can collect phone? Who can collect all those things from her?
Maybe I don't know. I don't know anything. Anything when they correct for it, but anything I don't know. I know they are aware.
All right, no problem.
I know they are aware.
Right.
I swear to my father, I know they are aware or any other.
All right. Before now till tomorrow, we will know the reason why this boy Kpai.
Hey, Kpai, you be the talk yourself.
Because one of my fans, they reach out to me now. That is another brilliant point. She said, and I quote, Kpai, the reason why that boy do not want his friend to call the ambulance is because of waiting day in mouth. Probably, maybe they want to go download them out. You don't want to make ambulance come find that say that in day with them. That's why I call a friend. Say, make a friend not call police. It might also be true that his friend is innocent, but Kpai still continue your investigation. It might also be true that his friend.
He can't call you back.
So, Angel, you have to climb my live stream. You know, say your brother sell market. Because yesterday I asked you a question. Where did they remove for a mat? You not tell me now. People call even the writer for comment section. Say Ipana market. Because you know one thing, some of the Italian boys wait in Italy, they watch this live stream now. Those are lazy boys full Germany. Because they believe in that thing that they put for mat. They believe in what they go, they sell to people when they think they get money. The money that they sell for those things, now you money. Oh, that's why I said that they see money. Now you money are very risky something. You go sacrifice your life to take please family. Sacrifice your life to take care of girl. Sacrifice your life to talk say people for Germany they lazy because why? They did not want to do the kind of job you do. Does not make people living in Germany lazy. You see the risk in selling. I tell that something yesterday. When I entered Italy 2011, I meet three sets of people. Number one, I meet the Centro people with the shop with my money. They are not just to the use cream, take the raw, just nice, get flat tummy, me woman they spend for you. You know they me don't use latte. They don't use latte to make some more for me. But I can't say I said don't be life. You know this as woman we all the talk only. That is Bema. We were once the set of a Bema squad. We don't carry jet tire before confidently lose them. No level again. Age just they go like this. I done this L. You don't they wear before I can't sit down. Like when you die now. I can't stay attached to routine. I can't go back again to Bema squad. I'm not sure any get money, but you want to tell me, get don't carry me enter Zara for Interlo. Buy me almost now just on you now just something euro. I call the form. He call the beg me say one marry me that I call the form. I don't marry. Me or the bolole. What I pour me water. I can't say the part when I choose not go clear for me. Oh. To the shop with my money not go good for me. Oh. Because my mama not send me that one. Oh. When I come to say, when I come date one, the cost, all my money we don't shop, and I say, how much you don't spend 250 euro? I never even collect better money for the share. May you go your own. I can't begin to do. Buongiorno signora, per favore, scendini. Buongiorno, I can't do Charlotte. Per favore, affame signore. Per favore, affame signora. Now I meet one of my friend. You know, said if they bonus if they watch me now, Abraham. Sorry, yo, I'm not supposed to push up. And no say, tell me, that phone. Abraham go start with me like this. We're gonna sell facility. Abraham don't make 500 euro on that 1 hour. Me never make 30 euro. Now Abraham come with me what they say. Maybe they put something for math. Me you put letter for bag. If you say that's what they make, I not be so. Momo me, I can't be go put something for math. Oh, you don't tell God this time by me. That's why they talk say they don't fit do me for this social media. Momo me, I can't go put something for math. I can't forget say I will put something for. You know say you get the way go. Baba, thank you, Sha. See, I don't want to talk the rest story. Thank you so much for the gift. I can say, now you know that they put for belly, they'll go discharge her. I said, God forbid, God forbid, God forbid, God forbid, God forbid, God forbid. No, how much you cash out for woman? 250 euro. plus shirt and Zara, all those the pairs, all those flat shoe wey woman dey buy for person. Then they go club finish and he use me to make some for me. I never even go into the shirt like that. I can't suffer to do my shorty. Focus. I can't get grand for Essen Loga, for Moticatini, for Italy. I can't get grand. Wait, be say my shop. I dey call her my shop. Before I go to come with that, I can't leave her for somebody. I can't collect better money there. Because Oyibo wey dey there, they pity for me. Oyibo wey dey there, they call it pity for me. Omo, sometimes me they collect 2H for Shoroti one day. Sometimes 150, 100. Sometimes still go they do me. If still they do me, you know say I don't see money that day. Maybe 30 coins, 30 euro. I mean, I still go ask. I not go follow them. They do Shane. I can't get one girlfriend though. I not call they do. I don't like you. I don't like you. I don't like you. You see all those things what they do for Italy. You let men when they respect for Italy and men where they work. People they go work in the morning, normal job. Oh, they come back. Now those ones are they respect. Not be all those ones where they put on the format. Because if the day when autopsy go come out, the defender say, now market boss for Bole. Case close.
If I don't get, not be say swallow, not be the one with the swallow. In the user. Now me they talk about, say me they ask the sister, your sister don't know where they call the claim VT.
Mercy, God bless you.
They not the drag people.
Mercy, thank you so much for the gift. God bless you, Mercy.
You dey hear me?
Money gone.
His sister knows say I don't talk to her. You understand? I don't talk to his sister several. Don't talk to her where we talk where. I don't tell her one to say if.
Hello, Pa.
Angel,
Epa, good afternoon. Clearly.
Yeah, now me talk to you that day with Romeo phone.
Yeah, you say my brother they chop market, Abi.
You don't know before. Now person
I
don't want you don't know.
Wait, so me and at their house. Now my house is they stay.
Madam, not be say lie. You know say your brother they chop market before he go school.
I said they chop the market. How?
Not cause they see, man, tell you something.
No, boss, as
you know what they vex me for here. You know why I come as I cut up.
Listen. I don't know that my brother. Me and my brother will not do the same as number one. Number two, you know
if the brother head correct where.
Listen. No, you say my brother no head. You know not correct. Not correct. That one. Waiting me come myself for. I not come myself for saga, and I not be saga person.
Yes.
Waiting me come outside for now justice for my brother, for people to help me find out waiting by my brother.
Okay, now you see when you bring different people name they come outside there. Now no good. What make me the verse?
Now
you hear me?
What
make me the verse so I can't talk?
If your brother listen, wait. If your brother,
I know, I understand your pain. They pay me pass you will be your brother. You know why?
If your brother, then you will call they sleep. You know will talk.
No.
You will call they sleep.
Not be by that one.
No, me not know waiting by my brother. Now no,
you not like your brother pass me. Man, I tell you one word. Why talk like that? The way the debt pay me.
Follow anybody do saga. You understand? Anyway, the experience when you experience, when you know about the guy, you go talk. Then when the autopsy result come outside, it already come outside. So they not tell me say na market he eats or na market Kpai. Nothing
wait
like
first.
that. Nothing like that.
Okay. But why you call different people name for now?
Me not call anybody name. Now, waiting me explain to a pa. Now, how me no reach? How it say waka? How
your brother die. We all the wait for the DC.
So I not get any other thing when I want to talk again. So if you say na market, so when the time see this, you will still go explain how you notice because now we dey talk about justice. I'm not here for saga. I'm not here for fight. I'm not here to judge anybody. I'm here for justice for my brother and how I will take bury my brother. Now let that one me come.
Thank you, because we honor this. Now we did this time.
I not call anybody the name. Do you understand me?
Yes. So now those people name where they call.
Bros, listen to me. I didn't mention anybody name. I'm not the type of saga. I'm not here for saga. I'm not here to fight anyone. Moreover, I'm not Italian authorities. I'm not police. I'm here for people. Make people assist me to know what by my brother. You understand? So you not feel come as I say na market it because you are not there. You not be police. And secondly, the autopsy when you come outside, they not mention any markets. So if you dey mention something for social media, you need to know wetin you dey talk out. Because there's a lot of things that is going on. You need to know wetin you dey talk out.
Will you relax? You not get wetin dey go on. We don't know. We know everything.
As you take talk and say whether me no know see the shop market, you heard no this one many talk. It dey somehow. I don't want drag anybody, and I don't want anybody dey drag me.
Thank you.
You understand? So I'm here to fight for justice for my brother. That is
yes, if not justice, all of us dey here to fight for justice.
Yes,
for
now wetin I
but wetin I don't want, may you not put categorize people. Wey dem want dey draw their name come outside. You understand? What this thing happen? What this thing happen, AJ? He pay me anyhow. You know when me and you talk, I thought say who be that person will leave her for train station? I will tell you, I tell you to go and make judicial from that person. We leave her for train station first.
No, bros, if I not use that word there, if then, like my shoe, you know what
yes, say now, you can't drop people who be say they want help your brother for where they stay. It guy be. Believe me.
I you tell no say my brother, he dey camp. If you that time, if time they come, bros, you know you go see bring everything. I'm kind of person. I'll keep record of what I'm doing. I'm not that stupid. You understand me? If all this one that they talk bullshit for social media, just and they talk, I always keep record of what I'm doing. So don't say what you don't know. You understand? I'm only here for my brother to get justice. I'm not there here to come. They know how it live in life, how it this one. My brother they come see Kpai on the third, and on which now the third. Now my brother on the second.
Now the second, now your brother die.
Now the third, the girlfriend call me.
They say I'm around 10 on the second.
Not be on the 10. Now around 6 o'clock. Now they right for waiting the time when they see the test here.
Wait first, make I bring the article come outside for multiple news. I get them for my phone.
AJ,
sir,
your brother will definitely get justice.
Epa, thank you.
Then, but I just pray, say the justice so your brother will finally get. Make it not be waiting to use the hand take course.
Epa, sorry to cut you short. May I first correct this guy, Kelvin. I've been at Clevy. Clevy, I don't know whether I don't even know whether they call market. I don't know that they sell market or you know they do.
I don't say they sell.
You don't say they sell. So sometimes we are such about 5,000 people they watch us.
Epa, I say they sell. Yeah, I say they chopper. They use her.
Okay, you there where, bros? You they see, you don't catch up.
You they talk like say you don't know. You don't know.
Let me say no. Me follow the bros.
Madam, you rest. You know, say your brother they chop back. They talk. See, nobody is holy more than the Pope. Nobody can be more Catholic than the Pope. You know understand?
What you they short of with?
Nobody.
I know they follow you.
The investigation. They'll take past investigation for what happen.
So don't they talk waiting? We don't need to even they call they talk call they beat around the bush here. So when we just can't that made the investigation, make they go on.
Now, what did they vex me? Not call different people name. He need justice. If you ever they talk, if do that guy will live for train station, he do very bad. You understand? Now very bad thing. Now there that the investigation supposed starts from that guy. But yes,
I not be police.
I don't want that they will just say yes. Even if they hang down one picture, no problem. But other people,
AJ,
they different now.
I will help you to find justice on media. The government will do their own.
Yes.
The issue now is that you have to calm down, please. I know.
Epa, you know me now. Me not be that kind of person. Be say I get poor. I know they fight. I need to be a quarter. They you not fit see me for there. Even before you even see yesterday when you call me when me and you talk, I tell you say I be media person now. My business I they do for media. I not be the type where they do sag. If you enter my platform, you say not let my hair. I did there for. I not did there to even drag anybody. I never drag person for my life. This is my first time to come outside public like this. To even say you say before I go even come outside, I have to take permission from my husband. I not feel you come outside they talk. You understand? So this is my last time to cram up. So if me and the power talk, I get a WhatsApp number. I'll they follow and they talk for there. That is the only thing when I want to come sit talk for here. I know they feed they talk and I know they like wahala, but I must see justice for my brother. That is the only thing I promise my brother. I must know how the death take come.
Okay, thank you. We go see justice for more.
Angel.
Epa.
When last you see your brother?
Now the 18th. Then my brother come my house on the 18th of December.
Okay, he tell you say they sick.
No, even that day on the 18th, he get appointment with him lawyer because on the 19th, my brother they go commission. That on the 18th, as he call me, they do personages. He call consistent, you know, where cook. I come and say, I guess you a soup for fridge. Now my brother boil rice when me and him with my children when we eat. So as he come there around 4 o'clock in the evening, now he come to tell me say he get people we want go collect from a lawyer hand. So he want come out, may go collect the paper. Now so he take come out. That was the last day I saw him.
Okay, thank you.
You understand?
We need for Angel. No worry,
Okay.
just relax, okay?
No problem, just
I
thank
hear
you.
from Kelly now. I hear from
Right.
Kelly because I get appointment by 2. So I'll soon round up now to come back
Yeah.
again with her. It might not be your matter, because
No.
we get
If
one
I
girl-
just they call me for WhatsApp, I have this to the camp. I tell you yesterday. Even as me they talk now, you see I say I not today at the comfortable to the talk. So just they call me for WhatsApp, and they give you all the information I get, and they give you for there.
Okay,
Yeah.
no problem.
All right, thank you, sir.
All right. Winnie,
Good morning, sir. Good afternoon, sir.
yes, quick round up your own. Quick round up.
Okay. You know, sir, if who's that is reduce of phone.
That one when she talk just now say make her the call for
Epa,
I bet wait me I quick clarify that part. She know what she said by that. She did not say it like an offense, not be offense to me. And I know why she talk like that. Not be say if I need that to come speak for social media, Angel of course now not be brother matter. So she know why she said that. Please, okay, man, not change the thing. Not be say she not talk am like say in the same message. No, like I understand. So Winnie,
sir.
you talk your own.
Okay, Epa, you know as this matter today go so no man. Not be say autopsy result never come out. If they say never disclose anything yet, you don't have any rights, even though na your sister. This guy is your brother. You understand? So for the other guy when they just Ezekiel be like the way the guy they talk, as if he really know wetin kpai the guy. You understand? First, you know they there when all these incidents they happen. You understand? Maybe they still tell you see wetin happen. You just dey conclude say you don't know whether the meaning say you and the boy dey chop market together, because if you guys are not eating the same thing together, you will not conclude, you will not just know say this guy dey chop market. We dey talk of person wey die for here, this person don kpai, you don have sympathy for that person wey kpai, even though say yes this guy dey chop market, you no suppose to dey use am dey judge am for e grave for where e dey now. That guy dey inside mortuary, e dey there dey call for there. You get Epa, that guy when he with that boy comot, when leave that guy for train station, no matter what, even though say Efe was not your friend, Efe was not related to you, even Efe was not, maybe is not an Africa, maybe Efe na another countryside, then you will not find that guy in that situation, you will decide to abandon that person for there. The answer is no. Even though say you know they speak the language, come outside before you dey shout ayuto, you will see someone that will easily to call ambulance. Now the guy dey talk say if they say make you no call ambulance, and if they say make you no call ambulance, like seriously,
I said them later.
is it not better to say, even though say something dey that boy mouth, is it not better that guy will go to jail, at the end of the day he go come out, even though say yes he hold something, that to say you abandon that guy for train station till the guy come kpai, is it not better? So like the autopsy result must surely come out, and the sister everything must surely come out, but it's step by step. Like now Epa, what we need to bury this guy. You know say if to say like I don't do video before I post, before I join una for this live video, if to say that guy like if you no get sister for Italy for here now, say okay if he don die, they not see anybody wey come out, you know say by now they for don born that boy sis, they for don born her now, you understand? But now this guy have a sister here. What we need to support the sister. The sister have to buy land. The sister have to buy casket. The sister have to pay for up mortuary when the guy say.
When that one will come from his sister. You understand?
Yeah, because
when
you know say I sent you I sent you message before. I said we can talk.
Wait, nobody knows say Kpai. Nobody know the day when they come up for this life. Write that one for back of your mind. No matter what, nobody knows the day it will be the last. Nobody knows the day. That is why life is very scary. Life can be scary. Nobody knows when he's leaving this planet. By so doing, that is why person don't know when it come up for this life. So only what you got to do, we will